Good day everyone, this is Mark Weber speaking from Giesen Coffee Roasters.
Hi, I'm David from Giesen USA in Pittsburgh. I'm Isaiah Watt.
And I'm Katie Cates.
Marhaba, greetings. I'm Abdulrahman, founder of Coffee Portal in the Sultanate of Oman.
I'm Anand Alvan, Head of Business for Giesen Coffee Roasters in India. The highlight of 2022 for me has been the onboarding with the Giesen family. It's a very wonderful moment, and equally I'm really proud to be part of this wonderful family here, who are one of the finest manufacturers of coffee roasters for the last 20 years.
Hello everyone, my name is Emil Nyanzima, Managing Director of Global East Africa. Together with Edwin Tabag, we represent Giesen in East, West and Central Africa. This year we had two goals of attracting customers to see the machines and at the same time attracting young people to basic skills of roasting.
2022 was really amazing to host in Milan the World of Coffee and to meet newly the international coffee community.
Highlights from 2022, I think very memorable is the collaboration I have been able to develop with the representative agent for Giesen in Colombia.
2022 was our first year which could provide powerful machines to a lot of Japanese coffee roasters.
Highlights have to be just visiting incredible customers, meeting the incredible community that leads this industry, and just being part of it.
My highlight this year was the World of Coffee in Milano.
This year, after the COVID pandemic, we have been creating a big event for showing the Giesen in Thailand, and we met a lot of Giesen lovers.
Certainly the highlight is right at the end of the year for me, with the first W60 in production and being shipped to Bootlegger Coffee Company early next year.
One of the highlights for us this year was meeting all of you at the Coffee Roasters Guild Retreat.
The World of Coffee was one of my highlights, to see everyone after this long time back on exhibitions. It was one of the happiness moments we had on 2023.
For the next year, 2023, we are excited to have the WCRC take place in Taiwan again.
For this 2023, we wish people to know more about these amazing coffee roasters.
2023 has been a year of growth. Alongside our clients with what we love, and enhance with the best technology available on the market. So please enjoy your coffee.
My words of encouragement for 2023 is just keep going. I think the people that are doubling down, getting on with it, working hard and looking to grow and refine processes are just going to smash it next year, honestly.
Next year, for 2023, I wish that we can create the better roaster community that use Giesen in Thailand.
In 2023, I wish you peace and happiness. See you again with a good cup of coffee.
My dear coffee manufacturers from India, I wish you a very prosperous and a happy moment for 2023. Giesen Coffee Roasters coming into India. Let us share our experience together. Cheers.
And I wish you all the best. Christmas time will be a miracle in year 2003.
In 2023, we are looking forward to many memorable moments where we will be able to unlock the flavors of the coffees we produce and we find in this amazing world of coffee, and I say cheers to that.
So for 2023, I hope that we see us all healthy, back somewhere into the world.
Thank you. Cheers.
We are wishing you all the best for 2023. May it be the year of success. Thank you.
Happy New Year and Felice 2023.
I hope everyone stays safe and Happy New Year.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers everyone, all the best roasting.
Kanpai.
Kanpai.